Some retired people find themselves owning their home free and clear, yet they cannot meet their monthly obligations. A reverse mortgage, also called a home equity conversion, is an option for people 62 years or older. Similar to a home equity loan or line of credit, the cash also comes from a loan based off the home's equity. The homeowner receives cash in the form of either a line of credit, annualized installments, or a lump sum upfront payment. The homeowner receives cash that can be used to pay off debts, pay medical bills, afford a more comfortable lifestyle, assist with home improvement costs, or allow the purchase of a new home. Payments to the bank are not required until the borrower stops occupying the home as a principal residence. It's worth noting that normal housing expenses, such as property taxes, homeowners insurance, and HOA must still be paid periodically, and the home must be well maintained in order to keep the loan. Just like any other loan, there are transaction fees and closing costs, and they can be more than the closing costs on a traditional mortgage. Thanks to HUD, who regulates reverse mortgages, the amount owed cannot exceed the value of the home. Another layer of protection is that lenders can't go after borrowers or their heirs if the home turns out to be in the water when it's time to sell. On a reverse mortgage, the homeowner can make voluntary monthly payments or sell the home and repay the debt. If the borrower passes, the heirs or owners of the estate might have a hefty tab to pick up, or the total debt plus fees and accrued interest. The heirs can either pay off the loan from other sources and keep the house, or relinquish the house and keep any proceeds. Therefore, if it is your goal to leave your kids with a home that is free and clear, you will want to find another solution besides a reverse mortgage. If, however, you feel like you've provided for your kids by raising them and teaching them to be independent, hardworking, and they do not expect you or want you to leave them your home free and clear, then a reverse mortgage might just work for you.